Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. I'll be assembling this unit and also reviewing it at the end. Sunday morning I got this package from Amazon and the packaging is well done and it is clearly untampered. Let's get started. The unboxing was pretty tough for me as I'm lacking my unboxing knife. Still, I managed it. I got this chair for rupees 5000 on Amazon and it looks pretty good for my use. It's minimal and the design is pretty decent. The website has a video that guides you through the assembly process and it's good for the DIY users who like to assemble themselves. They also provide with the expert who can assemble the chair for you within 48 hours and they don't charge you for that. Now let's get back to the unboxing. All we need is a sharp fillet pad. Just tear it off. This is the main part of the body, that is the axle, the handles, going further we have wheels, we have 5 of them. We have all the accessories and nut bolts well packed in a sealed name order. The seat cushion, so much of packing. And the backrest. The last part is the base of the chair, star of the evening, and mechanism. Also the spine for the backrest. So here we have all the parts unboxed. Let's get to the assembly. I really like the way they pack the screws and nut bolts and washers. We have the wheels here, and let's get out of the packet. They are pretty sturdy and looks durable. They are smooth and doesn't make any noise. The bearings are very good. The axle that I was talking about before is a pneumatic lift that is used for height adjustment in the chair. Let's keep all this aside and start by popping the wheels in the base. The assembly process is pretty simple as I told before, and the wheels just need to click in and they fit properly. The wheelbase has pretty decent roll to it, and let's put the lift in it, and this is also pressure fit. There are no screws holding it. Later on, I found the assembly manual hidden under the seat cushion, and it had all the instructions in 2 to 3 languages. It was pretty simple to read as it had all the instructions in pictorial form. After the base assembly, the next step was to attach the handles to the seat cushion. The instructor had all the alphabets corresponding to the screws and bolts packed in a proper manner. The seat cushion had all the attachment points underneath it. Now we just have to attach the handles. The handles also had the indication of right and left on it. This will be the left hand. Before attaching the handles, I already put the washers in the screws. The Allen key packed inside the box was the only tool I needed for the whole assembly. The next step, attaching the mechanism. Getting washer E and screw A out of the packet. And here we are done with the mechanism attachment. Let's grab the spine and the backrest. I know, no one can resist this. Popping the bubble wrap. Best thing. Okay, I'm stopping right now. The spine also comes wrapped in the bubble wrap. Let's get it outside. We just have to line the spine into the backrest and align it with the holes. There is only one screw that needs to be attached, and it is on the lower side of the backrest. The backrest is ready to be attached with the seat. I had some doubts with the backrest attaching with the seat. The plates were interfering. Maybe that will be the structural design of it. I won't be much concerned. Now we just need to push this assembly with the base. The next part is pretty simple. Line the holes, put some weight on the chair and pull the lever. Voila, it's done. The chair has good swivel to it. The rolling is also smooth. And yeah, it's good. This has been my previous setup. I have my table adjacent to the bed. My daily driver is my laptop, HP Pavilion i7, and the headset, mouse. By the looks of it, you can see I have been loving minimal setups. My daily routine had me use my laptop for hours. Some days I work for 6 to 8 hours on my laptop. I sit on my bed and rest my hands on the table. Sometimes I fold my leg, slouch, and this posture is getting worse on me. I usually get back pains and also wrist pain. Sometimes I lean towards the table, and also this is the worst. I rest my back on the headboard. As you can see, in this position my spine is slightly twisted and this results in back pain again. Sometimes my neck pains as I am looking rightwards all the time. My new desk setup, though it looks the same, but it has been a huge difference for me. Obviously, I can adjust the position of my chair or else my seating. I have proper hand rest. I can swivel backwards. That's a great thing, but I usually keep it locked. I adjust the height while watching movies, so it's cool. I can rest my leg on the table's lower arm. I read some reviews about seat cushion being hard, but I feel it is very comfortable. The lift mechanism is also snappy and it's good. The foam is soft and the suspension is too good. The swivel mechanism is so smooth that I couldn't resist the cadence at me. Overall, this chair is worth the price and it's good to buy.